Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make Moringa hair spray or hair tea. This hair tea is so good because it contains a lot of nutrients that will help your hair to grow. Continue watching. To make this Moringa hair tea, I'll be using dried Moringa leaves. Feel free to use Moringa powder. You can check out my video on how to make Moringa powder. Moringa contains some important nutrients like zinc, iron, vitamin A and B, which is very important for our hair growth. Star Anise. This is a wonderful spice that will release its oil, which will help to stimulate hair growth and repair any damaged hair. I will add it into the bowl. I'll be adding warm water and allow it to soak for about 1 hour or more. After about 1 hour or more, you can notice that the Moringa leaves have infused properly. Moringa hair rinse is so good because Moringa contains some wonderful nutrients which will help to strengthen our hair growth, prevent hair loss. I will use a strainer to sieve and get the liquid. I'm done sieving the Moringa tea. I will pour it into a spray bottle. I'll be adding like 9 drops of tea tree oil into the Moringa tea. The tea tree oil is so good because it will help to remove any buildup of dead skin cell on your scalp and also increase circulation on your scalp. When I'm done adding, I will shake to mix properly. Now you can see how easy it is to make your Moringa hair tea. This Moringa hair tea is so good. It will help to stop shedding, dryness, hair loss, and also help to increase your hair growth. Use this Moringa hair tea as a rinse-in. You can also spray it and leave it overnight for effective results. I hope that this video is helpful. Thank you all for watching.